In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate approvals in Asana. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that moves tasks to the right place the moment they're approved, saving you clicks and keeping your project tidy. First, open Asana and select the project where you manage approval tasks. This is important because rules live at the project level. They only affect tasks inside the project you choose. Make sure this is the workspace where your team tracks work that needs an approval decision. Once you're in the right project, look to the top right and click the Customize button. This opens the project settings panel where you can adjust fields, forms, and most importantly for us, rules. If you don't see Customize, you may need the right permissions or to expand your browser window so the button appears. Inside Customize, find the Rules section and click Rules, then choose the option to add a new rule. You'll either see a gallery of templates or a way to build from scratch. We're going to build a simple, focused rule that reacts to approval outcomes. Start by setting your trigger to approval status changed. This tells Asana to watch for updates to a task's approval status, whether it moves from pending to approved or any other status change. If your project doesn't use the approval task type, consider converting relevant tasks to approvals so this trigger appears and works as expected. Next, add the condition is approved. This ensures the rule only fires when someone has explicitly approved the task. It won't trigger for rejections or requests for changes, keeping your workflow precise and preventing accidental moves. Now choose the Action Move Task to section. This is where the magic happens. Pick the destination section where approved work belongs, often something like approved, done, or ready for handoff. If your sections are already organized by stage, choose the one that makes the most sense for your team's process. Before you finish, consider giving the rule a clear name like when approved, move to approved section, so teammates understand what it does at a glance. Then save the rule. From this point on, any time a task's approval status is set to approved, Asana will automatically move it to the section you selected. That's it. You've set up a clean, reliable automation that keeps your board organized without manual sorting. If you want extra confidence, approve a test task to see it move automatically. This small setup pays off quickly by reducing busy work and ensuring nothing approved gets stuck in the wrong place.